What's up, fellas? We're here live in San Marcos, Texas for the Q1 Cool Roofs 2026 Summit. As you see, we got the squad piling in. Follow me along the absolute amazing journey.
But my vision is just so strong, and I know that I can do this, and I know that I have what it takes. If vision is what got you here, vision is what will keep you here, and sight will be what kicks you out. The only thing that disqualifies you from your vision is what you think is real within what you see.
Morning, guys. Day of the summit. We're here in beautiful Austin, Texas. Had a pretty fun Airbnb for the night. Come with us. We're going to the summit. Let's roll.
What's going on? I think this is like the 6th summit. This is our 2nd one here. And if you look in the room, it's just like twice as big as we've ever had. It's amazing. We're really excited to see what's going on here in Cool Roofs. If you don't know, I am Trey Martinez. I do marketing and I help a lot online, and I'm very excited to see all the guys together because I'm in Houston. A lot of these guys are in Austin, San Antonio, we're all over, right? So to be able to see everybody in one spot, it's such a blessing, and really excited to show you what we're about to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to sneak up on the CertainTeed gang here. All right, rapid fire, CertainTeed. This is our manufacturer, our preferred manufacturer that we install their products. And I'm gonna ask y'all one question. I wanna hear it from all of your perspective. Start with you. Why should a contractor choose CertainTeed over any other brand of shingles?
Best warranties in the market and thicker than the competition.
Ooh, thicker than the competition, best warranties. I love it. I'm gonna mix it up for you. Toph, what is one of the things you're most excited that CertainTeed is doing this year in the market?
Well, in terms of for our contractors, we have changed the credentialing program completely around. So we actually have 3 different layers and different options. You guys are Cool Roofs is at the top of that. So they are the creme de la creme, and you're gonna be able to offer workmanship warranties right out of the box. The other thing is we have an unlimited wind warranty option now.
Ooh, that's awesome. For you, Matt, why should a homeowner choose Cool Roofs when installing a CertainTeed product?
I think it's the best combination, right? You have the best manufacturer and you have the best contractor in the business. And people are everything. The level of support, you don't have to question it.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
All right, next up on the summit agenda is a hands-on training. CertainTeed and it'll be showing us one of their designer products today, the presidential shingle, how to install it, just continuing to grow that knowledge of the products that we provide to our customers.
All right, we're gonna catch Joseph Valverde here. Mr. Valverde.
What's going on, my man?
How we living? This is the San Antonio market manager here.
Yeah, nice to meet y'all. I'm living good, man.
Yeah.
Blessed. We're live. Everyone from Cool Roofs all over the nation, all the way up from Memphis, Tennessee, here in Texas. I mean, what more could I want?
I love it.
Awesome, man.
Hey, tell me this, Joe. What are you most excited about going away from this summit already? I mean, it's only been half the day. We're out here with CertainTeed. I mean, look at this thing.
Man, we have the best culture, we have the best product, we have the best warranties, we have the best people, the best type of leadership, and everyone's genuine. Like,
yeah,
it just doesn't get any better than that.
Mr. Golden Door. Good. How are we living? Good. If you had one piece of advice for somebody thinking about getting in the roofing industry, what would it be?
One piece of advice for someone joining the roofing industry, I would say it's a hustle, it's a grind, but it's worth it. As long as you stay consistent and keep getting after it, keep making those connections, it's worth it.
Consistency is the key, huh?
Yes, consistency is key.
How many golden doors have you had this year?
Ooh, this
past 12 months.
Oh, 12
what do you think?
months.
It's over under.
Man, over 20. Over 20 at least over 20. Probably a little low ball on it, probably closer to like 30 or 40, but we'll say about 20.
Okay. I love it. That's why we call him Mr. Golden Door.
Let's go.
That's what the identity is. It's regardless of the obstacles, I move towards the vision. And the thing that allows you to keep moving is the knowledge of the true identity that you have. The opportunities are meaningless if they're just within your sight. Make them part of your vision. Make the new products, make the new incentives, you guys understand this was created by a vision. If Colt decided to function from his site, there wouldn't be a company because the vision was stronger than what was in front of them. And that's what you guys need to be doing today.
We're walking to the car here. So, all
right, cool.
Question for you.
Sure.
For any property owners or contractors What do you predict is going to be the #1 most important factor to success for contractors, and then things that homeowners need to consider with the changes in insurance industry?
It's going to be more important to get the coverage, and not to try to save money. That is not the play. Property owners everywhere need to know that 100% of the time they're going to be missing line items from their assessments. Not most of the time, not sometimes, 100% of the time. The insurance adjuster is not doing a full inspection and doesn't understand building codes. Every single time they're going to be missing line items, right? So you can't take their word for it.
I love that. And if you're in Texas, who should you choose?
Oh, well, I definitely think you got to go with Cool Roofs, man.
Awesome. Thanks, Chad. It's Chad Michael, the practitioner. Just one of the things that we love to do here at Cool Roofs is get our insurance education from the best in the world. And we truly believe he's up there as far as it goes in getting our guys educated, making sure they're taking care of you and your home.
As we got together as a leadership team, we started just thinking of people who are always following up on their tags, always making sure things are checked off, always showing up when needed, and it's something that we definitely appreciate. Mr. Dylan Delgado, get over here, baby. This guy never says no, always sees the vision, always shows up, and works his absolute ass off. And that's Mr. Kevin Putnam. Always does a job even if it's not his. And honestly, man, I wish I had like a note card of the times that this guy has just been a huge team player for us, because it's all the time, and I appreciate you doing that. Thank you, brother. He just contracted a massive deal, bringing on a whole nother solar company with like 3,000 customers that we're gonna be working with. He's an even better father. And I remember him telling me at Tony Robbins, he's the richest man in the world because he has an unbelievable family. I love this guy more than anything. Ray, you know who you are. Get up here, big dog. Because what you're about to see come through Slack on these massive projects that these two individuals have been working on, I want you to know, it exemplifies just a nasty commitment towards success and just the tenacity of making this happen. So I want to just shout out Mr. Eddie. Get your ass up here. Wait, the Roof Whisperer! We wanted to give the quality award to Mr. Colt Rush.
If you're in this room and you're not challenging yourself, how do you expect to grow?
I will keep working on me for you if you will keep on working on you for me. Woo, baby. Q1 Summit is over. Thank you guys so much for watching along and joining. If you're liking what you're seeing and you'd love to be a part of a company that is so dedicated to growth, the mindset, what it takes as an individual to get from where you are to where you want to go, and if you're tired of being stuck where you are, we'd love to have you. Check out the link in our bio to learn more about careers at Cool Roofs. Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.